So guys, yeah, I am back here. Sorry for whatever happened right now. I know that was embarrassing, but what I can do? The software hanged and I had to end the stream. No problem. So here we are again. We can now redesign the ship for the Starlink launch. So yeah, here we are guys. So we go in the vehicle assembly building. Get to it. If anyone yeah, what I can say also, I can't say anything. Load and just Starlink. Okay, and now we can see if what we can do for it. Get this thing off. Get this thing off. Oh, okay, I did something bad here, I think so. Okay, yeah, there we have this satellite first. This decoupler is required, so oh, what? Okay, maybe I don't need this. Yeah, I don't need these. I'll just make the replicas of these. Okay, so we have 60 Starlink, 15 stack will be there, and yeah, so let me just attach one. These things, these two, it has to attach. Now I have to see how I will attach that thing. Hmm. Maybe I can just attach it here and then, yeah, I have one plan. Would it be good? Yeah, hardcore gamer, thanks for joining and thanks for ciao KSSS. Okay, let's see if we can get the mission which was not done by the SpaceX right now because of the weather violation. Can we do it in the Kerbal universe? Because in the Kerbal universe we don't have weather restrictions, right? So we can make do whatever we want, and hopefully if I do this, then what will happen? If I just make it this thing, make it like this, floating in the sky, that will always create that thing because the struts will not work. Mm, or else what we can do is we can do one thing rather than providing that, because I don't think so that we will be able to do. We can always have this docking with, yeah, the docker, the junior one is there, yeah, placed here, and then this with this. Okay, so we have two in here. I don't need this, so it's okay. Yeah, I don't need this thing right here. Okay, so what I will do is, first of all I will detach these, the cluster, the whole payload, and then afterwards I will yeah, do this. Maybe that would be much easier, rather to that would be much cool, and not cool, but it would be great if I can just enable staging it at every level of the Starlink satellite. So what will I do is place it here, and not here. I will need to have a replica of this now. So yeah, they here I need to have 15 satellites. So here 4, 8, 60 satellites, will it come only or not? Let's see. Then this thing here with one satellite. Oh, it won't come. So I think I need to reduce the satellite because okay, I'll reduce the satellites, no problem. You can just go with this. This also is taking a problem, creating a problem. Okay, then I'll remove this thing also. But what about the staging? Yeah, I forgot about it. This is the next one. This is the okay, if I'm not wrong, because of the thing which I did it right now. So the first thing, this so it is in level. Okay, no problem. Okay, this thing first fire ups, then this thing will fire up, then this thing will detach, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. Oh, okay, yeah, cool. Then oh, I can add, yeah, I need to add more stages. This thing. So yeah, now we are good with it, and these will fire up okay accordingly. So this is cool. And what is the delta V we are having right now for atmospheric? We are having 1730 in the first stage and 4000 in the second stage. For the hell, this is not possible. But it's, I think it's okay, it's all right. This thing should work now. And yeah, the auto struts, the auto strut, auto strut, auto strut, like this. Yeah, so auto strut is enabled, auto strut is heaviest part, auto strut is disabled for this. So this one, auto strut enable, auto strut enable. This, why am I doing this is because I don't want the force, please. Disabled, disabled, and disabled, and then disabled. Yeah, I need some force. uh I need some, at least not this much, but some. Let's see if, how does it work now. At least some I need, not full but some. Okay, cool. So now we can see if we can get to the 1728. What delta V is being shown here? We have the sea level altitude. Okay, so this is not enough from my experience, but means it is just enough to get to the orbit. Means if I don't do anything wrong, then we'll be able to get to the orbit. Let's see, we'll able to launch it or not, and everything goes right or not. So yeah, a gold bro anime, it got scrubbed for today, so not no problems with that. As I am doing the Kerbal simulation for it for you guys, right? We are replicating that mission. No problem, because the weather played a big role, but here we don't have the weather in the Kerbal universe. So here we are with the Falcon 9 rocket on the pad. And thanks Pramod for appreciation. Now we will have to see if everything is good or not. Okay, so first of all, which the thing which I saw is that the whatever is the root part is configured badly. It's okay, it's manageable. So let's just launch it. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And lift off of the Falcon 9 vehicle to the orbit carrying the Starlink satellites. Today, basically, not only the Starlink satellites were there, if I'm not wrong, 57 were the Starlink satellites and 3 were the BlackSky Global satellites. So, at 100 meter per second, we now will perform the pitch maneuver. Not there, here. Perform the pitching here to go eastwards. And why are we going eastwards? Only because there's where the Kerbin rotates, so we get initial, you can say, the kick or the head start in this direction, and we don't have to waste so much of fuel cancelling or attaining that velocity which the earth rotation provides. That's the thing. Right now thing is looking good. We are not facing any wobble to here, because of course I have auto strutted everything. That's why. At 10 kilometers we'll go here. In actual thing, we means in the actual mission we attained 222 kilometers apoapsis, if I'm not wrong, where the satellites are deployed. But in this I don't think so I'll be able to achieve that much altitude, because I don't have that much delta V here. But still, whatever I can do, I'll do that. And I'll be, of course, I'll be doing this in full expendable mode, so as to save whatever delta we have. We just ditch this into the ocean. We won't be landing it. It's not because I am unable to land it. I'll land it. If I would have landed it on the ocean itself, not on the drone ship. But it is, I am doing so because I need some delta V here, and I am not having that. That's why. And here we go with the launch of this thing. Not the stage separation, Miko and the stage separation, you can say. As you can see, I cannot just open up the fairings right now, because that would cause a mayhem, total mayhem, if I do it right now. We'll have this Falcon 9 launch this thing to the orbit, not worry. I'll see if I can do it properly or not. Let's just do that now, yaar. Why are we doing this? Guys, is the voice and the sound okay, or anything you want to correct? My voice or the game voice or anything? So now we can just ditch the fairings. Here we go. I'll give again the 75 kilometer mark I'll have that as a benchmark. It's looking lot like a Starlink stack, right? It's looking much like that. Yeah, it's good to see this thing. So now we'll plot a maneuver at the apoapsis to complete the orbital insertion. That does not happen in the real mission, as you all know, guys. What we have in the real mission is completely different. And we have loads and loads, sorry, and we have loads and loads of delta V, as you can see, 1590, and we required around 800, so it's okay. Start burn in 42 seconds. I don't think so this much will be required. If I get out of the atmosphere, then this, hopefully this thing, yeah, it's okay, no problem. So I'll start the burn right now. 3 2 1 and go. Yeah, Narendra, that's what we have to do if we are not having the launch today. That's what we have to do. The launch is scrubbed, no problems. But in the Kerbal universe, we don't have weather issues. So why can't we take the uh, what do you say, the why can't we take that as an advantage for us? Yeah, hardcore gamer. This is a game. This is basically what we called a Kerbal Space program, and this in this basically you will be able to launch rockets, go to the other planets, land on the moon, launch satellites, do whatever you want to have. Basically, you will be having your own space program. So that's why just I just love this game. Yeah, that's the thing. You will be able to build rockets from scratch and do whatever you want with it. You can go to the satellite. See, if I am see, right now we are in the orbit, okay, and we have here the Mun. This is what we call the Mun or the moon. Then we have this here Minmus. That is one asteroid. You not the asteroid, but a celestial body which is in under Earth's sphere of influence. And then here we have the interplanetary space. This is a Moho, which is a Mercury analog. This is the Eve, which is the Venus analog. This is the Kerbin, which is the Earth analog. This is the Duna or the Mars. And then after Mars, we don't have analog. We do have analog. This is one dress which uh, does not have any analog. This is a Joule. This is a Jupiter analog. And this is Elu, if I'm not wrong. This Elu is a Pluto analog, and this is all we have. And this is the Sun, which is a Kerbal, which we say Kerbal, and this is a Sun analog. So that's the thing. So right now we are launching the Starlink satellites only. So we are in the orbit, guys. Now we can just launch it. So if I'm not wrong, yeah, this will launch first. I need to set the force percentage. I can't, and I am too worried about the thing. If anything happens right now, fingers crossed, guys. Just removing this from the stack, the rocket. Let's just see if I'm able to do it properly. So let's just remove it in 3 2 1 and decode. Oh, it is. Oh, okay, so this thing is still in one piece. That's a good thing. So okay, now this is not what we needed to do. The hell, what the hell, man? This is, didn't I see the staging or what? Or I need to detach this manually. Oh yeah, of course, why not? Basically these are now four different entities, right? So that thing won't work, of course. Yeah, so this thing, as you can see, is trying to separate from itself, and I can just, which one will be, if I do this, okay, this thing will be detaching, which I don't want. Okay, so we are basically having this here. So if I just detach it, yeah, so here we detach that. We can just detach, go on detaching everything, right? You can see which one is getting detached. Oh, after getting detached they are being docked together or what? Oh no, they are not being docked together. Basically they are just, okay, so that's how that's how the concept is, guys. So these things will be detached. So let me just go and this is what, okay, now just, come on. Oh, the xenon gas, I forgot xenon gas. This thing won't work without xenon gas, that's for sure. But it's okay. We won't be able to go to the parking orbit. Yeah, the 550-kilometer operational orbit, but we are in the orbit. So this is the thing. Okay. And regarding this fellow, uh, did I place? No, I didn't place anything so that I can deorbit also. Yeah, Lawrence, it was scrubbed, so I just had an analog for the game, the mission created here. So, guys, do you want me to do something else also? Maybe go to the moon, to the Minmus, or create anything you want? I can do that. I actually don't want to create so much of debris in space, so I am just reverting this flight. That would, yeah, that's the thing. So, guys, do you want me to go to any celestial body, Minmus, Moon, Mars, anything? If you want, just tell me, otherwise, that's for it for today. I think I should end it because no response is from your side. Because, okay. So here's the Kerbal Space program, the Kerbal Space Center, what you can say, right? Are the mountains, the the vehicle assembly building, mission control, space plane hangar, astronaut complex, research and development, and this is the tracking station, launch pad, and runway. So yeah, guys, so so I can't even conclude today's stream because everything was scrubbed. So yeah, I'll be there with you guys, hopefully whenever the next launch is of the Starlink. I'll be there with you, so just subscribe if you haven't, guys, because I'll be there with you. And yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, guys. I know it's sad that the thing got scrubbed, but it's okay. No problem with that. So stay safe, stay healthy, and bye bye, guys. I'll be there again, be there with another launch, whatever space industry you want. Uh, China is launching tomorrow, but I don't think so. We'll have the live stream for that because the source, the China itself, is not providing us the live stream. So it's okay. It's okay. I'm just doing, if I find it, I'll be there with you, no worries. So yeah, just stay safe.